Thunderstorm Watch number 239, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: St. Helena and Tangipahoa, and the following counties in Mississippi: Hemet, Pike, Walpole, and Wilkinson, and coastal waters from Boothville, Louisiana to southwest pass of the Mississippi River out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.